Here, chicks, I want to show you guys these. These are the ones that come in the Valentine's. All this beautiful details. They also come with one of these. And a heart dragon. All this comes in the heart-shaped box. And then we're also having all of our Easter. We already started making a ton of these, which will come with 3 minis. We have a Kata dragon. It comes with a fox. And one more, but that's a mystery for you guys. And in the middle, you have a bunch of different options of dragons. Different colors, different variations. They're all going to be mystery. And then we also have a large and a medium. The medium will have a dragon like this. And then the large will have a larger dragon in it. Get them while we have them, guys.